Hi, I'm Ray. Welcome to my channel where I share some magical and not so magical moments of parenthood. I also share hair and makeup fun and Disney magic. Today we are talking about my favorite content creator who just dropped a new collab, and this one is with Nude Sticks. I wanted to swatch it and share it with all of you. First, we open up the box. On the inside is Victoria Lyn. She looks stunning in this. Included in this package is a little leaflet that talks about how this collab is with Victoria Lyn. It also talks about how she curated her own custom shade called Magenta Magic. Let's hear what she says. Introducing Magenta Magic, where playfulness and beauty intertwine. Nude Sticks and I created this nostalgic, bright pink shade with a beautiful core as a reminder to the glowing magic that resides within you. Let Magenta Magic sprinkle a touch of enchantment wherever you go because your beauty is boundless and unique. I love that. It even includes a little QR code that links to a video. Let's watch a little bit of that video now.
Hello everyone, I am beyond excited to introduce you to my latest beauty obsession, my custom shade with the Nude Sticks, Magenta Magic. Nude Sticks and myself came together to create a whole new category, Nudies Matte and Glow Core. What makes it unique is we added this captivating inner core to symbolize the magic and beauty within, and it's infused with skincare. The ceramides and peptides in the core leave your skin looking plump, hydrated, so you're treating your skin while you wear it.
Nude Sticks is known for having nude colors and having solid colors inside their tubes for their blushes and other things like that. But this time, with Victoria Lyn, they have switched that up. Inside of each of these colors is a beautiful core color. This is Victoria's custom shade, Magenta Magic. As you can see, the inside has a beautiful highlighting core. First up, we are going to swatch Pink Ice. This is Pink Ice. I love the kind of champagne color on the inside. Look at that pigment, and you can see the champagne in the middle. Next up, Sunset Gold. Look how pretty that is. Next up, we have Tan Glow. Ooh, I love the gold. We're going to do Rose Glow. Next is Blush Bling Bling. Then, our next one is going to be called Magenta Magic. Victoria Lyn's. Oh, that is so pretty. Use this. Which shade is your favorite? For curating this, it is absolutely beautiful, and thank you Nude Sticks for sending this to me. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe for more.